is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's 2024. Happy New Year. I hope you guys had a great holiday. This year of 2023 that just passed has flown by so quickly. It's crazy. I can't believe how fast it's gone by. First of all, I want to say thank you to everybody who has subscribed to the channel, who continues to watch the videos and continues to share my content. I highly appreciate it. The channel is really all about you guys, educating you guys on how to do certain things and really just trying to provide good content for you. If you guys have been watching my videos recently, we were building a 2001 R1, we're restoring it, and a lot of the parts that I've been using, I'm actually going to have links in the description of this video and videos going forward of all those parts that I got for good prices. And obviously the product that you'll be getting, you'll be using anyway, and you can get for a good price. But like I said, I really appreciate you guys watching the videos and liking and subscribing and sharing it with your friends. That helps me out a ton. We don't have a lot of subscribers yet. We're not even at 2,000, but we're slowly working that way up there. So if you could share this channel with your friends, that would be really great. I would highly appreciate it. So yeah, it's 2024, January 1st. Crazy. Can't believe how time has gone by. So we do obviously plan to do a bunch of videos with the street bikes like I've been doing. I do want to do some more videos on the Yamaha Banshee. I kind of been slacking on that. I know some people have been asking me about it. And yeah, we're going to get some more videos, but you know, I'm just kind of getting the street bike things out of the way right now. And not to mention, we did get another project bike for 2024, and I'll show you that in about a minute or two. But we do have to finish the 2001 R1 project before we start getting into the other bike. I'm not gonna lie, this winter blues is really killing me. Like, riding's my therapy. Riding makes me feel great, just getting out there and, you know, just being on the bikes, even on the quads and any of that stuff. And it's just been cold. I've been working a lot. I've been so busy just trying to get some videos here and there for you guys. And I'm just really looking forward to the spring. I can't wait. But yeah, that Project R1 is almost done. We're just waiting for a few things to come in so we could finish the video that I'm currently making right now. I'm installing the fairings, and the bike's starting to look awesome. I'm very happy with this, how it's coming out so far. But if you're watching this video and you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. I would highly appreciate that. And, you know, share with your friends. It's free. It doesn't cost you anything. We'll see what happens in the future. We still got to get the subscribers. We're really low, guys. We're not where I want to be right now, but that's okay. It's a work in progress. And this isn't like my main job. You know, I work a full-time job. I'm working like 50 hours a week. And this is just a little kind of like side thing that I do for fun to, like I said, help educate you guys, show you good content, and, you know, teach you guys how to do some things that some people may not know how to do. So with that being said, let me go flip the camera around and I'll show you our new project bike. Yep, you guessed it, guys. It's another R1. This is a 2003 model, and it's not in too bad a shape, but it does need some things. Like I said, obviously this far pan thing, that thing is getting tossed right into the trash. That thing is not what I want on there. It's just a stock muffler that's been cut and gutted. Whatever, you know, it is what it is. But overall, the bike doesn't look too bad. The bike does have some cracked plastics on it. As you can see, it's cracked here, and that's a shame because that's an OEM one. And then, like I said, this thing, it was like, looks like a zip tie is holding it together. There is some rash on this side, and some other parts are cracked over here. So it's not horrible. Like I said, there is a few things. The bike does start and run really good, but it just sounds like crap because it's hard to see. I don't know if I can get this, but yeah, the headers are cracked. And so those got to get replaced, but we'll end up getting a nice full system for this thing. And hopefully get some replacement OEM fairings, because I think I do want to keep this one. Usually with the project bikes, after having them for a bit, you know, I end up selling them and, you know, giving this to someone, and they end up getting a great bike that was fully gone through. But, you know, I haven't had the 5PW, the 2002-2003 model in my life for a bit now. And I know it's very similar to my 2001 Mint one that I have, but, you know, just to have the fuel injection thing, kind of comparing back to back would be a great thing. I did already flush the rear brakes off camera. Nothing special about doing that. And the caliper I had to replace because the two, basically the caliper has threads in here, and the bolts go through and screw into them. And when I was trying to take off that, because we replaced the brake pads as well off camera just because they were shot, so yeah, they were really bad. I don't even know. This isn't them. This is a different set. But the, like, where is it? Like, these are shot, and the ones that were in there were way worse than that was. So anyway, obviously, like I said, full exhaust. We do hope to get some OEM side fairings back on there, and we'll just go through it as time goes on. So I mean, like I said, overall, it looks pretty decent. It didn't have mirrors. I had spare ones, so I just kind of threw them on there. Like I said, overall, not too bad, but the motor is running really strong when I took it for a ride. So it shouldn't be too much of a big project, but, you know, I am pretty excited to work on it. So yeah, so that's a little spoiler alert. That's going to be the new project bike. We'll get into that thing after we finish the other one. Just a quick little look. Whoop! Don't want to show you too much on it because, like I said, we're going to do a video of the install and the fairings. So, but anyway, guys, so I do want to thank you for watching. Happy New Year. I hope everybody has a great start to 2024. And if not, don't worry. It will get better, especially as the months go on and we start riding again. But all right, I think that's going to do it for the video, guys. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.